when President George W. Bush had his Hanukkah party. One year I was invited by a rabbi who's a friend of ours to come as his guest to this Hanukkah party because his wife had been there previous years, and for whatever reason she wasn't going back that year. Maybe she had some other commitment, I don't remember. Anyway, so I was standing in line. The White House has a kosher table, the Marine Band is playing, and everywhere there are Christmas decorations because that's what Hanukkah is. And I was standing in line to shake hands with President George W. Bush and Mrs. Bush, and the person in front of me was the Costa Rican ambassador to the United States, and he goes to the same synagogue I do, and we exchange words in Yiddish. He knows Yiddish. And the person behind me was Ruth Weiss, who's a professor of Yiddish at Harvard, whom I at the time did not know, but I knew of her. And so I started purposefully, I brought the ambassador, Jaime Darrenblum, into the conversation with Yiddish, and then I turned around and I brought Ruth Weiss into the conversation. So we're talking Yiddish in the White House to meet the president, decorated with Christmas, and the Marine Band playing in the other room. And I said, this is an only in America experience. And it was a great moment. I mean, that my father saying Yiddish is a wichtige Sprache. Yiddish is an important language.